Hey friends, hope you all are good. We welcome you to our channel Digital in You. Today we will discuss how we can make money online. So if you are new on this channel, so kindly do subscribe and hit the bell icon for latest update. So let's start. In today's digital age, making money online has become a popular way to supplement one's income or even make a full-time living. With the power of the internet, there are countless opportunities to earn money without leaving the comfort of your own home. In this video, we'll be discussing the best ways to make money online and providing a detailed description of each method. So let's get started. Number 1 is affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a performance-based marketing strategy where an individual promotes a product or service to their audience, and if the audience makes a purchase through their unique affiliate link, the individual earns a commission. Affiliate marketing is an excellent way to make money online because it requires little to no investment and can be done from anywhere with an internet connection. To get started with affiliate marketing, you'll need to find an affiliate program that suits your niche and audience. You can do this by searching for relevant products or services in your niche and checking if they offer an affiliate program. Once you've found a suitable program, you can sign up and start promoting the product or service to your audience. Number 2 is online surveys. Online surveys are another easy and convenient way to make money online. Many companies conduct online surveys to gather data about their products or services, and they are willing to pay people for their opinions. You can sign up for multiple survey sites to increase your earning potential. To make the most money from online surveys, you'll need to find reputable survey sites that pay well and have a low cash-out threshold. You should also ensure that you qualify for most surveys, as some surveys may have specific requirements. Number 3 is online freelancing. Online freelancing is a popular way to make money online, especially for those who have a particular skill set. Freelancing involves offering services such as writing, graphic design, programming, video editing, and many more to clients online. To get started with online freelancing, you'll need to create a portfolio showcasing your skills and expertise. You can then create profiles on various freelancing platforms such as Upwork, Freelancer, Fiverr, and many more. You can then start bidding on relevant projects and building your client base. Next is online selling. Online selling involves selling products or services on various online platforms such as Amazon, eBay, Etsy, and many more. You can sell various products, including handmade crafts, clothing, digital products, and many more. To start online selling, you'll need to identify a product or service that you want to sell and then create an online store on the relevant platform. You can then promote your store and products to your audience and start making sales. And next is online courses and coaching. Online courses and coaching have become popular in recent years, and many people are willing to pay for knowledge and expertise. If you have a particular skill or expertise, you can create an online course or offer coaching services to clients. To get started with online courses and coaching, you'll need to identify a niche and create a course or coaching program. You can then promote your course or coaching program on various platforms, including social media, email marketing, and many more. Conclusion. In conclusion, making money online has become an accessible and convenient way to supplement your income or even make a full-time living. There are countless opportunities to earn money online, including affiliate marketing, online surveys, online freelancing, online selling, and online courses and coaching. With the right skills, dedication, and hard work, anyone can make money online. If you are new on this channel, so kindly do subscribe and hit the bell icon for latest update, and don't forget to like and share this video.